Hi, today I'm with me TOSCIDO P101 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So we should first open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher and tap twice to OK. After that, just click to go back and tap to switch input methods, switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, so let's just check the new keyboard look. For example, let's open the search and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.